So my old, you remember when I first got this rig, I ordered probably what were one of the last two logos for the front. I still got the other one in the garage curled up, but this replacement one was not vinyl like the original, with screen printed brown border on it. So this one is like an inkjet applique, and I'll be honest with you, it's not held up. I found some Allegro details that are of the right size. They're at replacementdecals.com, and what I found is the fact that these logos, although when you zoom in on them, you can't see it here on the camera, they look like they have a slight outline, but the logos themselves don't. The folks emailed me back really fast and said, nope, they're just orange, they don't have a two-color look to them, but if you can send us pictures of what you've got, we might be able to set something up, which would be really cool, because for the price that they're showing here, about 60 bucks, 55 bucks, quite frankly, for 25, 30 bucks a piece, it's not a bad deal. I'm also going to check out, there's a local vinyl place in my downtown that might be able to do them as well. I want to see what they can do for me. I'd like to go local if I could, so we'll find out. The journey continues, and I'm going to show you. Again, a beautiful day. This summer season so far has come out really well. I mean, we've had our thunderstorms, don't get me wrong, but it's really cool to be able to have such nice weather to work on the RV. And as you can tell here, I have had this awfully aged logo, which is only a couple years old. And I did finally manage, after all this time, to find the last remaining Allegro logo from Tiffin Motorhomes. They sent me these two. They were the last two they had, the new old stock. You can see here, because it's all the faded barcode, you can't barely even read it anymore. But anyways, I'm a little leery about just sticking this one on, because it's going to look like this in a couple of years. I don't really want to do that, along with the trim that's going exploding and going bad. And I think I'm going to go back to white vinyl and paint it orange, and back with it. This stuff fades right out, and then it just, disintegrates. So I'm going to go down to this local graphic shop downtown here and see if they can help out. So let's see. We'll see. Catch you in a minute. All right, here we go. Oh, right up front. There you go. It's called Community Proud. We're going to stop in here and take this sad logo and see if they can do something for me. Don't know if I can do video in the shop, but we're going to see. Hold on. Initial put on this before it starts raining. I think you got enough time to just go very, very, very light coat. You can see here, you can almost see me in the reflection. Here we go. Oops, don't want to go too much over. Light coat stand, light coats. And here it comes. Just as the paint dried on the one part here, just in time. So here we are. We're going to pick up the logo. They printed it already. I thought I'd love to get a shot of it when it was being printed, but no big deal. So I'm going to go in and get the logo. And they got the template, so anybody who needs one can get it. I like it with the blue border better than the... Although it looks like the old one kind of looks like it was turning blue. I don't know what was going on. You even got the registration mark on it. It was awesome. So cool.